Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this clip, I'll show you how to record the screen using PowerPoint. There are a number of ways to do that, but the easiest way is to go to the Insert menu and then select Screen Recording. Here it's dim because I'm already using it. There are also other two ways using Office Mix and Recording tab, but just let's focus on Screen Recording from Insert because it's there. So the first step you do, once you click on Insert and select Screen Recording, you will get the screen telling you having a timer 1, 3, 2, 1, and then once you click on Record. Now, once you do that, you start doing the work. You click here, you click there. Whatever activities you do on your computer will be recorded. If you want to record steps in another program, like Word here, you do whatever you want. Every step that you do will be recorded. Now, once you finish, you stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, you will have a video in the slide that you started first. From that video, you can either keep it in PowerPoint or right-click and click on Save Media As and save it to your desktop or documents and use it, upload it to YouTube, send it by email, do whatever you like. Right now, I'll just stop